today I'll be showing you how I installed this crochet hairstyle, which is absolutely a game changer and very easy to install. So keep watching if you want to see how I achieved this look. So this is the hair that I'll be using today. The hair is from QVR Hair. They sent me 5 packs of their deep wave crochet human hair bundles. The hair is in natural color and also is 26-inch long. The hair is very new. It has a new technology called micro loop. So as you can see, it has a thread like this in the middle. So when you install this hair, it will look very seamless. You know, when you install the usual crochet hairstyles, we normally see the loop of the hair, but with this one you won't see that at all. It will look very seamless. So this hair is totally a game changer, and also this hair is 100% human hair. So you're going to install the hairs how you would install any crochet hairstyle. So I'll just take the crochet hook, slide it underneath my braid, then I'll place the hair on the crochet hook, then I'll pull the hair through the braid, then I'll just secure the hair by tying a knot. And with this hair, I just had to knot the hair once. I didn't have to do it twice or anything. I just did it once and the hair stayed in place. As you can see, the hair is very beginner friendly and very easy to install because of the technology, and also each pack has a crochet hook, so you don't have to worry about that. Also, when you install the hair, you just have to knot the hair once and it should stay in place. So I'm all done, and that's how the hair looks. I used almost all the hair that I had, and I have some few pieces remaining. I'll just use the hair to cover any gaps, then I'll go ahead and style the hair. It didn't take me so much time to install the hair. It was really quick and easy to install. It took me less than 1 hour, maybe I would say 45 minutes to finish everything. The hair comes pre-separated and doesn't tangle at all since it's human hair. So when you install it, it won't really take much of your time. So here I'm just spraying water on the hair before applying any product. Then I'll go in with some styling mousse. After applying the styling mousse, I'll just go in with my brush just to define the curls even more, and as you can see, the hair didn't tangle at all. It was really easy to brush and style the hair. So this is the final look. Let me know what you think about this hairstyle. Would you try it? And I would like to thank QVR Hair for sending over this gorgeous hairstyle. I really love how this turned out, and all details of this hair will be linked in my description box, so make sure to check that out. This is their deep wave crochet human hair bundles, and I got this hair in natural color and the length is 26-inch long. So as you can see, the hair looks very full and it's so soft. And as I mentioned before, I used all the hair that I had, which is 5 packs, and that's how the hair looks when you tie it back, and that's how it looks when you wear your hair up. If you're a person who likes crochet hairstyles, or if you want to try something new, then you should definitely give this a try. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, you can leave them in my comment section, and also let me know if you try this hairstyle. Thank you so much. I'll see you all on my next one.